What's up, you guys? Welcome to this video. We are going to do a nighttime routine, and I have to say nighttime routine is key. Absolute key. I have had this same nighttime routine since she has been 3 weeks old, and I've stuck to it. And I have to say this is one of the reasons why I think that she is a good sleeper, goes down super easy, and enjoys her bedtime routine. Now, as she gets older, things will definitely change, and it has not been like to a T exactly the same since she was 3 weeks old. Like, we've added in like reading a book and those kinds of things. But I have to say, I really think having your little one on a routine and kind of on a schedule, like the same bedtime within 30 minutes, is definitely key, and they thrive off of schedules, and it just has made bedtime a lot easier once we were able to drop those nighttime feedings and stuff. But I still did it even when she was doing nighttime feedings and sleeping in our room. So maybe it made that transition easier to the crib. I don't know. But I figured I would share our nighttime routine with you guys to give you guys a better idea of maybe what to do or some ideas because you're stuck and it's just not working and you've tried everything out there, but maybe I have something that you have not tried, and maybe I just have an easy baby. I don't know. My next one, crossing my fingers that he or she is easy. Okay. Anyways, guys, I love you all, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Also, give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to follow my social media. If you want to see how our nighttime routine goes, then go ahead and just keep on watching. Welcome to our bedtime routine. Yes, it starts with me taking a 20-minute bath by myself because I find having me time so stinking important. And about 20 minutes after of some relaxation, these two come on in. And it is just Kayleigh's favorite part of her entire bedtime routine. She was just a little concerned about the camera there. And if you're wondering what bubbles we use the Honest brand, and it is the lavender scent. Sometimes I use them, sometimes I don't, but she's discovering them and starting to really enjoy the bubbles. Just by switching up some things like that has helped. It just keeps her interested. And her favorite thing of all is seriously getting in her towel after the bath. I don't know why. I have no idea why, but she stinking loves it. Loves it. Then we just head on into her room and we start just the process of getting her all oiled up, because for her lotion, all I use at night is coconut oil. And if you guys have followed me for a while, you know that I use coconut oil like every time I change her diaper as well. She has never had a diaper rash or anything like that, so I have stuck with that literally since she was probably 2-3 days old. So it works for me, and her skin stays super soft, and she does have drier skin and like a drier scalp, so I do put it on there as well. She was fussing, but then she was super excited to be standing there. She's just so cute. Now it's time for her bottle, and key to getting your child to sleep through the night is making sure they get enough food throughout the day. We go for 24 to 28 ounces, in between there, 24 minimum. So this bottle is just topping off the night, and it's 3 ounces just right before bed. And I just feel that it really just helps her like get kind of sleepy. It's a warm bottle. We head into her room, get in her sleep sack, and we read her a book, which she is starting to get a little bit more interested in every time that we read her a book. And that is literally our night, you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you got some tips or tricks from it. Staying consistent is key when it comes to getting your child to sleep through the night and making sure they get enough food. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.